never down, never. Like a theme in a song.
Hi guys, welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Tamika and I want to say thank you for being a part of today's cleaning motivation. Guys, let me tell you, I got to get this refrigerator clean before I go on vacation. So today is the perfect day for that. The first thing I want to do is to get out all the meat and put it into a cooler. The meat, the popsicles and everything, I want to put it into the cooler so it would stay at the perfect temperature for the while that I'll be cleaning the refrigerator. Then I'm gonna move over to taking out all the leftovers because it makes no sense I have leftovers when I'm about to go on vacation. So I'm gonna take out all the leftovers and I'm gonna clean my refrigerator from top to bottom. I also need to get to Walmart so I can do an oil change on the car. I can buy some cleaning supplies for the car while I'm at Walmart. I want to change out a few things on the car that needs to function well because the distance from where I live to Orlando is about 8 to 9 hours. So I need to make sure that my car is in perfect condition for this very long trip. So let's go right into today's video. I hope you enjoy it. One of the first things I like to do is to remove all the food from the refrigerator. Then I go in and start to spray all the really tough stains. I let that sit for a good 2-3 minutes, and then I would go over and fill a bucket of water, put a little bit of bleach in the water, and just start wiping out my refrigerator from top to bottom. Guys, it was filthy. It needed it so bad, and I can honestly say that it is a little time consuming. So prepare. If you are going to clean your refrigerator, it's going to take you a while, but it is worth it. It is so worth it. It smells amazing when I was done.
I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer.
Guys, when I am cleaning my refrigerator, I like to start with the bottom where I have all the frozen vegetables, the meat, the kids' popsicles, the ice creams. I like to start there because I want to not let the meat stay in the cooler for too long. So now that I'm done with the freezer drawer, I'm going to pack all the meat and frozen vegetables back into the freezer and head over to the middle part where I have the yogurt, the cheese, and all the deli meats.
I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger, but I get up. I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
Okay guys, so the inside of the refrigerator is clean from top to bottom. I've already packed all the food back into the refrigerator. It is time for me to go ahead and clean the outside and get dressed to head over to Walmart to get my oil change done and buy the cleaning supplies that I need to clean my car because my little people got it filthy.
Take the keys and get them over, okay?
Okay.
All right, baby.
Thank you.
Stronger than I ever been.
Okay guys, so the oil change is done. I just wanted to share with you guys the cleaning supplies that I purchased to clean the inside and outside of the car. It's a kit and the windshield wipers that I needed for the car. Now, as always, I want to thank you for being a part of today's video. Don't forget to take care of yourselves, love each other well, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay blessed, beautiful people.
Stronger than I ever